Please check it. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Guys, those who are in online, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Please check it, all of you. Guys, no response. Please, everybody has to respond for me. Are you getting my voice on screen clearly so that I can start our session? Okay. Nice. Right. Right. Good morning, guys. And check it what we completed in the last session, what we understood there in the last session. Right, sir. Why people are not coming today? Because of raining, right? Okay. Right, sir. So in the last session, just we understood some few points about the comment section, and let me ask some questions to you. Now try to answer for these questions. Tell me what are the various parts which are available in Java programming format? Nearly 5 parts are available. What are the 5 parts in Java? Comment section, package section, what next one? Import section, classes or interfaces section, main class section. 5 sections are available. That's okay, fine. Out of these 5 sections, which sections are optional and which one is mandatory? Comment section, package section, import section, class or interfaces sections are optional. Main class section is what? Mandatory. That's okay, fine. Next one, after that, if we observe this comment section, in the comment section, we are able to provide some description about our program before writing the program. The description includes author name, from what date, from which date that implementation was started, what is the objective of that particular implementation, that everything about our implementation we have to specify. In a comment section, we are able to use comments. We are able to use what? Comments. How many types of comments are existed actually? 3 types of comments are existed. What are the 3 types of comments there? Single line comment, multi-line comment, and documentation comment. Single line comment allows the description within single line, one line. Multi-line comment allows the description within more than one line, multiple lines. But documentation comments will allow the description in more than one page, more than one page. But what is the main purpose of documentation comment? What is the main purpose of documentation comment actually? To prepare API documentation. To prepare what? API documentation. Can you tell me what is API documentation? Is a document in the form of HTML file or a text file or a PDF file or an HTML file, whatever it may be. It may be a document. It will provide the complete description about the programming elements which we have used in our applications. What are the programming elements actually? Variables, methods, classes, abstract classes, and so on and so on and so on. That's okay, fine. Next one. In how many ways we are able to prepare API documentation? In two ways. One is manual approach, another one is what? By using Java doc tool. Manual approach is not possible. Why? Because we are going to prepare large applications where more number of classes and interfaces we are going to use. Preparing manually API documentation for all of our classes and interfaces, it may take a lot of time. It is not at all possible here. Observe carefully. So to prepare, that means to simplify API documentation preparation, Java has given an internal tool. That internal tool is what? Java doc tool. By using Java doc tool, we are able to prepare API documentation in the form of HTML files. In the form of what? HTML files. Clear. Next, one more point. One example also be I shown for that. Now observe carefully. Out of these three comments, which comments data will be included in API documentation? Which commented data will be included in API documentation? Documentation comments data will be included in API documentation which is generated from Java doc tool. That we understood clearly. Then after that, to provide a description, JDK 1.5 version has given a new tool, new feature. What is that new feature there? Annotations. Annotation. Immediately we are getting a question, important interview question. To provide description in Java applications, we have already comments. Then what is the requirement to go for annotations? There, what is the answer we are given there? If we provide description along with the comments in Java program, lexical analyzer will remove the provided comments and its description from Java application as part of compilation or while generating tokenization, while performing tokenization as part of compilation process. So comments and its description will not be available in a dot class file and up to runtime of our application. Comments and its description is available up to .java file only. But as per our requirement, I want to make available my description up to .java file and up to .class file and up to what now? Up to runtime of our application. If you want to make available our description up to .java file and up to .class file and up to runtime of our application, there we have to use what? Annotations we have to use. But what is the requirement to bring your description up to runtime now? What is the requirement to bring our description up to runtime here? We have a number of options. What is that? A number of options here now? Because of my simplifying debugging process, because of simplifying testing process, because of my server side program, because of my Hibernate application, because of my Spring based applications, because of all these reasons, I have to bring my description up to runtime of my application. Got my point or not? So because of that reason, we have to go for like what no? Annotations. That's okay. Immediately, whenever we are giving answer like to bring our description up to runtime of our application, we are using annotations. If we give that type of answer for this question, immediately we are having one more question from interviewer. What was that next question from interviewer there? Now tell me, the next question would be what? To provide description at runtime of our applications, already we have a solution. What was the solution there? No, XML documents. Then what is the requirement to go for annotations? What is the requirement to go for annotations? That was the question here. Now what about our answer for this particular question? Answer is very clear. Point number one, if we use XML documents in our applications to bring a description at runtime of our applications, we are able to have problems. What problems here we are able to have there? First one is like what no? XML is not related to Java. It's totally outside of the Java. It's totally what? Outside of the Java. So we must learn XML technology separately. We must know XML technology separately. That is burden to the developers explicitly. Right, sir. This is one point. And second point is what? Every time we have to check whether that XML documents are in well-formed format or not. If they're in well-formed format, it's okay, we can use them. If they're not in well-formed format, definitely we are able to get some exceptions while executing our programs there. That is one problem, burden to the developer. Next one, every time we have to check whether that XML documents are available at a proper locations or not. XML documents are existed at proper locations or not. If they are not available at proper locations, we are able to get some exceptions like what? No, file not found exceptions. If they're available at the proper locations, then we are able to read data from XML document. Then every time we are able to check, we have to check whether we are using right parsing mechanisms or not to read the data from XML documents. Number of parsing mechanisms are available to read data from XML documents, but some parsing mechanisms are suitable for some type of XML documents. Some other parsing mechanisms are suitable for some other XML documents. So which parsing mechanism we are using to read data from the XML document, and every time we have to check that. Again, it is a burdenful thing for the developers. To overcome all these problems, we need a Java alternative. To overcome all these problems, we need what? A Java alternative. All of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. To overcome this problem, we need what? Java alternative. That Java alternative is what? Annotations. That was provided by JDK 1.5 version. Good. Then immediately we have a conclusion. What was the conclusion there? In Java J2EE applications, we are able to use annotations as a best replacement for XML documents. We are able to use annotations as a best replacement for XML documents. In place of XML documents, we can use annotations. That's a point here we can understand clearly. Right, sir? Understand this clearly now. Next one is after that, after completion of this, which technologies are using XML documents and which technologies are using annotations. If you want to go for this further classification, answer is very clear. Number of technologies are given, where the overall concept is all the older technologies are using XML documents, all the newer technologies are using what? Annotations. Now I have one more question. Are these annotations are complete replacement for XML documents? No. Annotations are replacement for XML documents up to Java programs only. In outside of the Java programs, annotations are not total replacement for XML documents. XML is a powerful tool, powerful technology to represent data. That's it. It's not like with respect to the Java programming. That the XML documents may be used for Java applications. XML documents may be used for .NET applications and may be used for Python applications, and it might be used for any other type of applications also. It's a global data representation technology. XML is what? A global data representation technology. It is not related to a particular programming language. So up to Java applications, annotations are the replacement. Why? Because annotations are available up to Java applications only. Annotation scope is up to Java environment only. Outside of Java, annotations will not be worked out. If you go for .NET application, is it possible to use annotations inside the .NET? No, not possible. Why? Because annotation is a Java feature. Annotations is what? No, Java feature, Java owned concept. It's not related to .NET. In a .NET, maybe some other syntax, some other things are existed here, but not like what? No, Java. Annotations are available up to Java only. So because of that reason, annotations are the alternatives for XML documents up to Java applications only. In outside of the Java applications, annotations are not the replacement for XML document. Right, sir. Now, then up to these points, we understood clearly. Am I right now? Up to this point only here we understood, and some technologies specification also be provided, which technologies are using XML and which technologies are using annotations. That part here we understood clearly. Right, sir. That's okay. Good. Listen carefully. Next one is what? Next one is what? Package section. Next one is what? Package section. Everybody has to understand clearly what exactly the meaning of package. You have to understand clearly what exactly the meaning of package. Right, sir. I'll give a simple definition for package now. Try to understand it. Package is the collection of classes and interfaces as a single unit. Tell me, what is a package now? Package is the collection of classes and interfaces as a single unit. Point is clear or not? All right, sir. Sir, what is this classes and interfaces and what exactly the location of the package in Java applications? If you observe this, I'll give a simple diagram. Try to understand this diagram clearly. Right, sir. I'll give a simple diagram or try to understand this diagram clearly. One minute. Right, sir. Observe carefully, all of you know. For example, Java is a collection of APIs. Java is what? Collection of APIs. APIs in the sense what? Application Programming Interface. Think of it, J2SE is an API, J2EE is an API, J2ME is an API. Got my point or not? Right, sir. Next one is, what is an API actually? API is the collection of packages. API is what? Is a collection of packages. Then what is this package actually? Package is the collection of classes and interfaces. Of course, abstract classes and enums also, leave it. Right, sir. Package is what? Collection of classes and interfaces. Then again, what is this class or interface actually? Class or interface is nothing but is a collection of variables and methods. Variables and methods. Variables and methods. Observe carefully. So, architecture I'm telling there. Everybody has to understand this clearly. Java is a collection of APIs. API is a collection of packages. Package is a collection of classes and interfaces. And class or interface is nothing but like what now? Variables and methods. Now here my required definition is what? What is I required? What exactly I required at present? No. What is a package? This is my question. What is a package? Now here from this representation, what you are giving conclusion? Tell me. Package is a collection of what? Classes and interfaces. Package is a collection of what? Classes and interfaces. Small change in our definition. For our understanding purpose, I given this definition. Now a small change in our definition. That's it. What is the change here? Observe carefully. Package is the collection of observe carefully, related classes and interfaces. Related classes and interfaces as a single unit. That's it. Come again. What is a package? No. Package is the collection of related classes and interfaces as a single unit. Sir, bit confusion. What is this related classes and interfaces? What is this related classes and interfaces? Can you give clarity? Listen carefully. Everybody has to understand this point now. Package is a collection of classes and interface. I'm telling there. Okay, good. Now my requirement is I want to perform IO operations. What's my requirement? No, I want to perform IO operations. Come on, guys. What is this IO? Input and output operations. I want to perform input and output operations. If you want to perform input and output operations, we need some predefined library. We need some predefined library. Predefined library in the sense who has provided that? That predefined library provided by me or by Java? Definitely predefined library must be provided by Java. How Java has provided that predefined library which are required for IO operations? For IO operations, we need a set of classes and interfaces. How Java has provided the required set of classes and interfaces in order to perform IO operations? No. How Java has provided? Java has provided the required predefined class and interfaces to perform IO operations in the form of a separate package. For IO operations, a separate package was provided by Java. The name of this separate package is java.io. Java.io. What is the meaning of it now? Java.io is a package which is specifically to provide a set of predefined classes and interfaces in order to perform IO operations. You have to tune yourself. Java.io is a predefined package. How that Java.io was provided by Java? It provides a set of predefined classes and interfaces which are used for only IO operations, for input and output operations. Now tell me the classes and interfaces which are available in Java.io package are related classes or not? Are a particular cause or not? Are a particular purpose or not? All these are particular purpose or not? What is that particular purpose? No, IO operations. IO operations. For that purpose only, the set of classes and interfaces are required. These particular set of class and interfaces are provided in a separate package. That package is what? No, Java.io package. Okay, not only that. One more point. Sir, we know number of data structures are available, sir. Number of data structures are available outside. Tell me what are the various data structures which are available outside now? What data structures are available outside here now? Stack is one data structure. Queue is another data structure. Linked list is another data structure. Am I right or not? Number of data structures are available or not? You have to understand this clearly. Number of data structures are available. Okay, fine. Then I want to have all these data structures in my Java applications. I want to have all these data structures in my Java applications. To provide all these data structures in Java applications, Java has provided a set of predefined classes and interfaces, a set of predefined classes and interfaces in a separate package. A set of predefined classes and interfaces in a separate package. What exactly the name of this package? No, that package is java.util package. That package is what? Java.util package. Observe carefully. So here I'm asking to you clearly, what I'm asking to you, java.util package is specifically for what purpose? There for data structures purpose. Is specifically for what purpose? There data structures purpose. Am I right or not? So java.util is a separate package, is a special package. It will provide predefined classes and interfaces to represent data structures only. So here my point is what? In a java.util package, a set of classes and interfaces are available. All these set of classes and interfaces are related classes and interfaces or not? All these classes and interfaces are related classes and interfaces or not? Because of that reason, I have given the definition like what? No, what was the definition here I have given there about this package? No, package is the collection of related classes and interfaces as a single unit. And more clearly, interrelated. Instead of saying simply related, I can say interrelated is a collection of interrelated classes and interfaces as a single unit. Yes, all of you are getting my point now? Now tell me guys, as you know something about Java, tell me some examples for packages. What do you know about these examples for packages? Now tell me. What is the first one, sir? Now tell me. Java.io. Then what next one here? Now tell me. Java.util package. Just now I given some examples. Right from first class onwards, I'm talking these examples there. Now tell me. Java.sql. Then what next one? Java.lang. Java.lang is a default package in every Java file. Everybody has to remember this point now. Again, I will cover these points in packages topic here. But as of now, we have to understand these examples like this and so on and so on and so on. So many packages are available. Okay, good. Right, sir. Next one after this. Packages. That means what exactly the meaning of packages here we understood clearly. That's okay. Then before this, after this, I'm asking one question to you now. Try to understand it. What are the various advantages of packages? No. Advantages of packages. What are the various advantages of packages here? Observe carefully. Number of advantages are available outside. Just I will give the names only. I don't want to go for explanation about each and every advantage. No. Why? Because that advantages we will discuss effectively in the packages topic. We have a separate topic, but here my point is what? Java programming format. That's why I need to give brief introduction about each and every point. That's why I'm talking about this point now. Not required to understand too much internals of these packages immediately. Packages topic is available there. I will discuss more about these packages now. Right, sir. But what are the various advantages here? Modularization is one advantage. Modularization. Modularization in the sense like what? No, just dividing the total requirement into individual part. Each and every part is nothing but what? No, a module. That's it, not more than that. After this modularization, next one is like what? No, abstraction. Abstraction is one thing. After this abstraction, next one is what? No, security. Then after this, shareability. And what next one? Reusability. Right, sir. Not required to understand too much about this. Why? Because I need to take an example through the tool. I can explain that. It is not required now. It may be useful whenever I'm going to discuss about like what? No, packages topic. But just understand the names here. Tell me, guys, what are the advantages of these packages? No, first one is what? Modularization. Next one is what? Abstraction. Next one is what? Security. Next one is what? Shareability. Next one is what? Reusability. Okay, right, sir. Next one. After that, advantages is okay, but how many types of packages are available? How many types of packages are available? Two types of packages are available. What are the two types of packages in general? First one is predefined packages, and the second one is user defined packages. Right, sir. Two types of packages are existed here: predefined packages and user defined packages. Now I'm asking one question to you. Now tell me what this predefined packages content here. What is the meaning of this predefined? Just now I given clarity there. What is the meaning of predefined packages? No, these are the packages defined by developer or Java programming language. These are the packages defined by Java programming language. Observe this clearly. These packages are provided by Java. That's it. These packages are provided by Java. That's it. But what about these user-defined packages, guys? And before that, tell me some examples for these packages. No, predefined packages here. Just now we understood. What are the predefined packages there? No, Java.lang. What next one here? Java.io. Then what next one here? Java.util, and so on and so on and so on. So many packages are available, not required to think about it. But there is a question: how do we know how many packages are there in Java? This might be the question. How do we know how many packages are there in Java? You should not ask this question at present. Why? Because already given clarity for it. How do we know how many packages are available in Java? Just simply open Java API documentation. Open Java API documentation. There, three parts are available. One is a packages part, next one is a classes or interfaces part, next one is a description part. If you open that packages now, where we can count how many number of packages are available. If you want to know information about these packages and number of class and interface and everything, just you can open API documentation. There we can count manually. No predefined libraries available to know how many packages are available in Java. Please recognize my point here. Just open API documentation. There we can check for how many packages are available and everything. Every information about our Java predefined library is available in API documentation. Yes, sir, my point is clear or not? Is my point is clear or not? Right, sir. That's okay, fine. Predefined packages are the packages. These are provided by Java programming language. Examples are given. Similarly, now tell me what exactly these user-defined packages know. What exactly the user-defined packages know? These are defined by user Java now. Predefined packages are only be provided by Java. User-defined, the name itself is giving clarity, sir. What is that name now? User-defined packages. These packages are defined by user. User in the sense, who is the user of Java programming language? Developer or not? Developer. These are defined by developers. These are defined by developers as per their application requirements. As part of their application requirement, they are defined by Java developers. That's okay, good. Listen carefully. Small point here we have to recognize. Predefined packages are already defined by Java or not? Provided by Java or not? Where what is the developer's role? What is the developer's job there? If in the case of predefined library, in the case of predefined packages, just developer's job is how to use that predefined packages. That's it. Already the predefined packages are defined by Java, where developer's role is what? How to use them. Get my point or not? how to use them. That's it. But in the case of user-defined packages, no, developers are having two responsibilities. He has to define the package and he has to use that package. Sir, got my point or not? Developer has to define the package, then after that he has to use that package. But in the case of predefined packages, no, already predefined packages are defined by Java. Already they are provided by Java. But their developer's role is what? How to use them. Then using the predefined packages, that is a single role from the developer. But in the case of user-defined packages, no, developers must have two responsibilities. What are the two responsibilities? No, first to define or declare the package. Define or declare the package. And second responsibility is what? No, use that package. Use that package in our application. Am I right or not? Okay. Now, whenever we are talking about user-defined packages, no, then first we have to think how to declare that package. After that, how to use that package. Okay, first of all, let me think about it how to declare a package. How to declare user-defined package. That is my question here now. Listen, all of you clearly. To declare user-defined package, in a Java applications, we have to use the following syntaxes. What exactly the syntaxes here we have to use? Everybody understand this clearly? Two types of syntaxes here I'm able to provide. Syntax number one, package. Okay, only one syntax, sir. We have to use the following syntax only. That's enough. Not required to go for any other one here. Okay. All right, sir. We can use package name, semicolon. Package name, semicolon. That's it. Package name, semicolon. Here, package is a keyword. Package is what? No, keyword. Along with that keyword, we have to provide some name. We have to provide what? No, some name. Observe carefully, all of you know. What is this package name? What exactly this package name? All of you observe carefully. Where package name may be a single name. Package name may be a single name, or it may be the combination of, parent package name and child package name. Tell me, sir. Package space package name is a syntax now. Where what is this package name? What is this package name? Package name is what? It may be a single name, or it may be the combination of what? Parent package name and child package name with a dot separator. I'll give more clarity. I will give. Don't worry for that. With a dot separator. Let's take some examples. Here. What I'm telling to you. What is that example here? I'm telling you. Observe carefully. Either we can use package P. Valid or not? That P is what? Package name. That package name is a single name or not? Yes, it is a single name. That's okay. Either we can use like this. Another example here I'm telling to you. Package P1 dot P2 dot P3. There, what is the package name? No, P1 dot P2 dot P3. What's the meaning of this P1 dot P2 dot P3? It's a parent package and child package with a dot separator. Now observe carefully. Parent is the topmost parent is what? P1. P1 is a parent to P2. P2 is a parent to P3. P3 is a child to P2. P2 is a child to P1. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? Internally, if we talk more about this one in a practical view, if you want to understand this, simple points I'm telling to you. Package is not any other one, just it is a folder. Package is what? A folder. Okay, package is a folder. No, observe carefully. Package is a folder. For example, if I declare, the package like this, if I declare package P, if I declare like this, when we compile the program, how that package will be created here? A folder will be created with the name is what? P. With the name is what? P. A folder will be created with the name is what? P. For example, if I declare the package like this, package p1.p2 semicolon, then automatically how the folder structure will be created? P1.p2 is what, sir? What is parent and what is child package? No, P1 is a parent package and P2 is what? No, child package. So first parent folder will be created with the name is what? With the name is what? P1. Then inside this P1, a child folder will be created, nested folder will be created with the name is what? No, P2. With the name is what? No, P2. With that package statement, when we compile, automatically folder structure will be created like this. Under this package, observe carefully, under this package, classes and interfaces we are going to provide. Under this package, we are able to provide what? Classes and interfaces. Okay, fine, leave this one. After completion of this one, for example, if I provide package p1.p2.p3, if I provide this, now here, now tell me how many folders will be created in a nested manner? 3 folders will be created, right? What is this first one, sir? Actually, what is the name of this first one? No, come on, tell me. First one name is what? No, P1. P1, that's okay. Then what is the second one here? No, P2. That would be created inside this P1 package or not? Now here, it would be like what? No, P2 package here. That's okay, fine. Next one. What next one here? No, after that, one more nested package is required or not? Right, so now this is what here? No, P3. This is what? No, P3. Observe carefully. This is what? No, P3. That's it. P1, P2, and P3. Tell me, is it very simple to declare the packages or not? How we are able to declare the package now? Tell me. How we are able to declare the package now? Tell me. Package name. Where package name is what? Where package name is what? It may be a single name or it may be the combination of parent package name and child package name with which separator? Dot separator, with the dot separator. In practically, package is a folder. When we provide parent package and child package, no, automatically that outer folder will be created, then a nested folder will be created. Inner folder and outer folder, their combination is nothing but parent package and child package. Yes, sir, all of you are following or not? Tell me some few points about this content here, what I discussed with you up to now. First of all, I given a definition. What is this package? Now tell me. Package is what? Package is the collection of related classes and interfaces as a single unit. Examples are what? Now tell me. Java.io, Java.util, Java.sql, Java.lang, and so on. What are the various advantages of packages now? Modularization, abstraction, security, shareability, reusability. That's okay, fine. Next one is, how many types of packages are available? 2 types of packages are available. What are the 2 types of packages now? Predefined packages and user-defined packages. Predefined packages are provided by whom? Java. Tell me some examples for predefined packages now. Java.lang, Java.io, Java.util, and so on. Then what about the second one? User-defined package. What is this user-defined package now? These are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. Alright, sir. How we are able to declare packages in Java applications now? What is the syntax to use? What is the syntax we are able to use to declare packages now? Package space package name. Where what is this package name actually? It may be a single name or it may be the combination of parent package name and child package name with a dot separator. Examples are given. What are the examples now? Package P. Then another example is what here now? Package P1 dot P2. Then what is the third example here now? Package P1 dot P2 dot P3. Of course, convention was P1, P2, P3 I'm using. In place of P1, P2, P3, we can use any names. ABC.xyz also we can use. Some names we can use. Here we are not getting any problem there. Points are clear or not? Okay, leave this point here clearly. Then after that, up to how to declare packages here we understood clearly. Next one, all of you observe carefully. Observe carefully. If we want to use these packages in Java applications, here we have to follow some conditions, some rules and regulations. Here we have to follow. With the conditions only, we are able to use that package declaration statement. Some conditions here we have to follow. Yes, sir. Understand my point or not? What are the conditions here we have to follow? Condition number one. All of you listen carefully. Package names must be unique. What is this first condition? Package names must be unique. It will not be. It will not be shareable and reusable. It will not be shareable and reusable. Package content is shareable. Package content will be shareable to number of applications. That's okay. But the names I'm talking now, package name I'm talking there. Package name could not be shareable and could not be reusable. Sir, think a minute about it now. Package is a folder or not? Folder names must be unique or not? Folder names must be unique at a particular location or not? Is it possible to use same name for more than one folder? That means shareability is possible or not possible? Not possible. Is it possible to reuse one package name to another package name? Not possible. So reusability is also be not possible. Am I right or not? That's why package names must be unique. They must not be shareable. They must not be reusable. Condition number one. Condition number two, guys. All of you observe carefully. Example I'm telling to you, try to recognize. For condition number one, example I'm telling to you, observe carefully. Package P1 semicolon, that's okay. This is in which program there? One program here. Observe carefully. I'm telling there in abc.java file. Next one is example to package P1 again in package P1. 1 minute, 1 minute. This is like what? Package P1 in some xyz.java. xyz.java. Is it possible to use like this and both the files are available at the same location? Understand my point, Ken? Both the files are available at the same location. Whenever they're available at the same location, if you compile both the files, automatically one package folder will override the another package folder. Yes, sir, got my point or not? So package names should not be, that means reusable and shareable. Okay, these examples make you confusion, not required to go for this particular point here. Leave it. Okay, simply we have to understand package names must be unique, they must not be shareable and they must not be reusable. Okay, now observe carefully. Then after that, number two, condition number two, listen carefully. Package statement, package declaration statement, package declaration statement must be the first statement, must be the first statement in a Java file, in a single Java file. If you observe, if you provide more than, that means in a single Java file, package and statement, package declaration statement must be the first statement in a single Java file. A lot of meaning is available. Package declaration statement should be the first statement in a single Java file. Understand what I'm telling you? Know it should be the first statement. It should not be second statement. It should not be third statement. Say for example, I'm telling to you, simple example here I'm telling to you. Now my file is like what? No, abc.java, for example, abc.java. Observe carefully. Now inside this, I'm able to provide like what? No, package P1. And then after that, we can write the statements like what? No, import java.io.star, something else here I can provide. Now this case is what? No, valid case. This case is what? No, valid case. Why? Because package statement is first statement. Okay, remaining statements we have to provide after that package statement only. For example, I'm going to take one more example. Try to observe this clearly. Now here again the file name is what? No, abc.java. There what I provided here. First of all, I provided like what? No, import java.io.star I provided. Then after that I provided package P1. Now this case is what? No, is it a valid case or invalid case? No. Come on guys, valid case or invalid case? No. Invalid. Definitely on Sunday I'm going to conduct the test. There I will include this type of questions now. There I'll include these questions as I'm discussing now. Definitely I'll ask these questions there. On Sunday I'm going to conduct the test. Yes, sir. Will you come for the test or not? Everybody has to come for the test. Nearly 30 questions I'm going to provide. At least see that questions. Same questions you may get in our company written test and maybe company interviews now. So prepare well and come for this question now. Now tell me, invalid. Why it is invalid, sir? Now tell me. Why it is invalid? Now tell me. Package declaration statement we provided as what? As a first statement or second statement? As a second statement, we provided this package declaration statement. Am I right or not? But in general, what is the condition here? Condition is what? Package declaration statement must be first statement. Package declaration statement must be first statement. Clear or not? No, right, sir. Now I'm asking one interview question to all of you guys. I'm asking one interview question to all of you. We have to think and we have to give answer for this question. All of you observe carefully this question now. Everybody put more concentration on this particular question here. Everybody know. Listen carefully. Is it possible to provide? Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Please remember, I'm not talking about import statement. I'm talking about only package declaration statement. Package name. That statement is available, no? That one. Then what I provided there, is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? That is my question now. You have to give answer for this question. Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Possible or not possible? Come on, give answer for this. Possible or not possible? Okay, some of you are saying not possible. Why it is not possible now? Tell me. Why it is not possible now? Tell me. Since package declaration statement must be the first statement or not? Because of the reason, because of this reason, package declaration statement must be first statement. Because of this reason only, we can say, we can conclude package more than one package declaration statements are not possible in a single Java file. Getting clarity on my points now? Let me give some example. By this we are able to understand. Anyway, answer is very clear. No. Answer is what? No. It is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. No, it is not. It is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. I'm giving reason also for this. Why? Because in a Java files, package declaration statement must be the first statement. Package declaration statement must be the first statement. Because of this reason, more than one package declaration statement is not possible. I'm not getting clarity. All of you are following my statements or not? Simple statements, point by point, I'm giving clarity for you. Of course, all these points, once again, you are able to get in the packages topic. I'm sure about it. Yes, sir, got it or not? So outside nature is good or not? Bad weather or good weather? Bad weather. Basically, you are not good. That's the problem. Then how much climate is going on in outside? How much weather is going on? How that windows air is coming in very much cool manner? Actually, you are not a nature lover. Basically, the problem is then if you are a good person, you have to sit beside that window and you have to open that window a little bit. Some kind of air will come there. You have to enjoy that air actually. But I'm looking for that. Anybody is doing that one or not? But nobody is doing. Of course, we are putting more concentration on Java, right? Uh, that's the reason why you are forgetting your surroundings. Na? Don't do overaction in front of me. I know that everything. What you are doing inside the class and where you are looking at everything I can see. Of course, you are sitting there at bottom a little bit. I am sitting a little bit top. I can see everybody. What you are doing, who are doing WhatsApp chatting and who are doing Telegram chatting and everything I can understand inside the class now, right? Listen carefully. Concepts are very much clear. Actually, I want to enjoy that environment actually, but unfortunately, my remote machine is not working properly. 2 times I checked it there, but it is not responding. That's why I'm sitting and I'm talking this class today. Otherwise, might be I may stand there, I may open a little bit my window. You'll enjoy a lot. Moreover, raining is going on in outside. I don't know what is the reason why. Yeah. This year, when I conduct the demo classes, from that point onwards, the raining is coming. I think you remembered or not, your demos are also be going on continuously now, rain only. Now today also, yesterday one demo was complete. Today I have to take second demo. Now it's going on. Rain is going on in outside. Exactly that. The time is 10 o'clock only. The demo class time is 10 o'clock, but now right full of rain is going on in outside. That's indication for us, no? The good classes and good environment indication. What indications are? Durgasoft will lose the people, right? Fine, of course. Right, sir. Good. Anyway, now put more concentration. Listen carefully. Huh? No. First of all, our question is what? Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Was the answer no? No. No. Why it is no? It is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in single Java file. Why? Because in Java files, package declaration statement must be the first statement. Package declaration statement must be the first statement. Clear or not? Some examples I'm telling to you. Guys, observe carefully. My file name is abc.java. What's my file name? abc.java. Inside this abc.java, what I am specifying there, package P1, a package P semicolon. That's okay. That's okay. Package P. Then here, how many package declaration statements I provided? Only one package declaration statement I provided. So what is the status, sir? Valid or invalid? No. Valid or invalid? No. Valid. Okay. Second example here I'm telling to you. Again, my file name is what now? abc.java. Under this abc.java, what I am providing there? Package P1 semicolon, package P2 semicolon, and package P3 semicolon. Now tell me guys, what is the status here now? What is the status now? Valid or invalid now? Valid or invalid now? Invalid. Why it is invalid actually? Observe carefully. This is valid. Am I right or not? This is valid. First package declaration statement is valid. Am I right or not? But what about the second package declaration statement? No, invalid. Why it is invalid? No, always package declaration statement must be the first statement or not? Always package declaration statement must be first statement. But here we have written that package declaration statement as a second statement or not? We have written that package declaration statement as second statement or not? So because of that reason, this is what now? Invalid. What about the third one, sir? Now tell me no. Third one is like what now? Valid or invalid now? Invalid. Why it is invalid here? What is the reason for it now? Again, package declaration statement should be first statement, but here we provided package declaration statement as what now? Third statement. Clear? Right, sir. This is status here I'm telling there. One more example I'm telling there. Think and give answer for this. Example. My file name is what still? abc.java. Then inside this, I provided package p1.p2.p3 semicolon. What is the status, sir? Now tell me. Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Valid. How can you say valid? No, p1.p2.p3 I given. Is a single package name or multiple package names now? Single package name where the combination of parent package name and child package name separated with the dot is available, but it is a single. Get my point or not? That's okay, fine. Next one is another one. One more example I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. Example that is like what now? abc.java. abc.java. Observe carefully. Here package P1 semicolon, package P2 semicolon, package P3 semicolon. Now tell me what is the status now? Think and give answer. Don't give blind answers now. Come on, guys. Everybody has to respond for my questions. Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? I given everything in a single line, right? I given everything in a single line, right? Now tell me here, even though it is a single line, but how many statements I provided? One statement or three statements? One statement or three statements? Three statements. Three package declaration statements or not? Three package declaration statements in the sense, definitely first one is valid, second and third are invalid or not? So overall status is what no? Overall status is what no? Invalid. That's it. Invalid. Clear. So definitely in our written test, this kind of questions only you are able to get if you go for any company. So there we have to answer for these questions clearly. No? Right, sir. That's okay, fine. So clear cut information that package declaration statement, that means package section, the topic is completed up to now. But anyway, of course, I will give one more point to you later on. One more point I will give there. But first of all of you are understanding up to this point or not? Right, sir. Good. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. To give package names, to provide package names, Java has given a suggestion, not mandatory condition. Suggestion is different, condition is different. Condition is must. Suggestion is optional. You may follow, may not follow. But suggestion was provided by Java. As you are the Java developer, we have to follow all suggestions from Sun Microsystems. You have to follow all suggestions from what? Sun Microsystems. Am I right or not? All right, so now let's observe this clearly. What is the suggestion here? To provide, observe carefully, to provide package names, Java has given a suggestion. Java has given a suggestion like, what is the suggestion here? What is the suggestion here? No, right. Try to use, try to use, try to use our company domain name in reverse in a package name. Read the statement what I given there. Try to, that means to provide package name, Java has given a suggestion like, what is the suggestion here? Now tell me. Try to use our company domain name in reverse in a package name. That means in the point of Sun Microsystems, in the point of Java, your package name should be your company domain name in a reverse. It's the suggestion. Again and again I'm telling there. Suggestion, of course, in our Java file, package P1, if you write valid, no compilation error, but not suggestible. I get my point or not? But not suggestible. Okay, now let me talk about example for this particular point here. What's that example here I'm telling there? Observe carefully. Package com dot Durgasoft dot ICICI dot then what next one, ICICI dot transactions ICICI dot transactions semicolon. Right, sir. Observe carefully. Before this, I am telling to you clearly. Now tell me, forget about it. What is the meaning of this particular one? I'll give clarity. Now try to understand it. Now, myself is a developer. I am working with the Durgasoft. Durgasoft is a company, development company. I am working with the Durgasoft. So what is the domain name for Durgasoft? No, website name is what? www.durgasoft.com. Clear or not? So here, what is domain name actually? Durgasoft.com. This is domain name. Remove the www. Domain name is what? Durgasoft.com. Observe carefully. So reverse of it. Reverse this domain name. What is the reverse of it now? Com dot Durgasoft. So try to use this in our package name. Why? Because the advantage is what now? Observe carefully. All domain names are unique or not? In a web world, all domain names must be unique or not? So if domain names are unique, if you include the domain names in package names, no, automatically we are able to get uniqueness to our package names or not? Automatically we are able to get uniqueness to our package names or not? Observe carefully. So because of that reason, we are able to have like what now? This particular suggestion. Okay, good. And now observe carefully. This is the history, what I'm telling to you. But here my point is what? My point is what? com.durgasoft, from this com.durgasoft.icc.transactions that we provided, com.durgasoft. What is this com.durgasoft actually? Guys, what is com.durgasoft actually? It would be company domain name in reverse. That's okay, fine. What is this ICICI actually? What is this ICICI actually? ICICI is what is this actually? Client name. For which company we are preparing this particular project? In other words, client name or project name or client name. That means I am the employee of Durgasoft. I am preparing a project for what now? ICICI Bank. I am preparing a project for which project now? I'm preparing an implementation for ICICI Bank. That's the meaning now. Next one is, what is this transaction actually? Transactions is what now? Transactions is what now? Module name. Transaction is what now? Module name. That means in ICICI project, what is that model? With which model we are working there now? Transactions. For example, of course, here inside this transaction also I'm going to provide something else like what now? Deposit. If I provide deposit, then what is this? Deposit is a name here now in a package name. Deposit is nothing but submodule name. Submodule name. In a transactions, how many types of transactions are available? Different types of transactions are available or not? What are the different types of transactions here? Maybe deposit or maybe withdrawal or maybe transfer some amount from one account to another account, like different transactions are available. Am I right or not? So where in a transactions module, especially I am working for which module there now? Deposit module. Under this deposit module, I need to prepare more and more number of classes and interfaces here now. So here we are getting this one. So here the point is what? com.durgasoft is what? Company domain name in reverse. ICICI is what now? Client name or project name. Transactions is what now? Module name. Deposit is what now? Sub module name. Deposit is what now? Sub module name. Clear? Totally package statement is completed. Totally package section is completed. Tell me guys, in a Java programming format, how many parts are available? 5 parts are available. Tell me what are the 5 parts now? Right, sir. So comment section, package section, import section, then what next one? Get a class or interfaces section and a main class section. Nice. These many sections are existed. That's okay. Out of these, how many sections we completed now? 2 sections are completed. What are the 2 sections we completed there? Comment section, then what next one? Package section we completed. Okay. Have you remembered the total information about this package section? Uh, can I ask questions to you? Will you answer for my questions? Ready for it. I'm going to ask the questions now. Tell me what is the definition for package? Package is a collection of, don't say classes and interfaces blindly. We have to say what now? Related classes and interfaces as a single unit. Okay. How many types of packages are available? 2 types of packages. What are the 2 types of packages now? Predefined packages and user defined packages. Okay, fine. What are the advantages of packages? Modularization, abstraction, security, shareability, reusability. Okay, fine. Tell me what is predefined package? These packages are provided by Java programming language. What is user defined package? Packages would be defined by developers as per their application requirements. How to declare user defined package? How to declare user defined package? How we are able to declare a user defined package? Package name. What should be the package name? Package name may be a single name or it may be the combination of parent package name and child package name. Right or not? With a dot separation. I'm observing clearly some of you are giving answers properly, but some other persons just they are moving lips only. Sounds are not coming. In a group voice, they are tuning their voice with that group voice only. I can identify. Then some people are giving lip movement clearly. Those who are having lip movement a bit delay, little bit delay, they are overaction. That's it. Uh, please don't go for such kind of thing. I am discussing content to everybody as an equal. All of you are listening my voice and all of you are listening my concepts equally. So some people are giving proper response and some other people are giving action only. What is the need to go for action? Especially for you as you are learning. In learning process, if you are in action mode, your entire life will be in action mode only. Understand it? Now here in front of me, if you are doing action, in front of interviewer, what you are able to? You are not having a group discussion in front of interviewer. You are only the one person. There also you are giving lip movement, no? If you give lip movement, what will happen? No questions, nothing else, no company. Finish. You have to return to your home. Go for agriculture. That's it. Huh? Not like that. And anyway, I'm discussing a concept. Try to remember it and try to give proper answers. Why I'm asking number of times same questions and again, I want to check everybody is following or not. I'm not time wasting, no. I'm checking everybody is following or not. If any person is not following, again I'm repeating that. At least in first attempt, if you are not understanding it, if I'm asking the question, all the members are giving response. At least in that response, they can follow, they can understand. Because of that intentional, I'm repeating number of times here. But some of you are not understanding that even. Okay, don't like that. Give your own answers. If it is not right answer, then try to correct it yourself. That will be the right approach. No, the final thing is you have to understand my concept. Okay, fine. How to declare user defined package? No, package name, where package name may be a single name or maybe the combination of parent package name and child package name with a dot separator. That's okay, good, completed. Next one, after completion of this, what are the conditions to use package declaration statement in Java file? Two conditions are available. What are the two conditions? No, package name must be unique. It cannot be shareable and it cannot be reusable. That's okay. Then what is the second condition? No, package declaration statement must be the first statement in a Java file. It should not be second statement and it should not be third statement. Then immediately I have a question. What is that question here? I'm not asking answer. I'm asking question. What is the question there? Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file or not? What is your answer here? No, not possible. Not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. Why it is not possible? In a Java file, package statement must be first statement. First statement in the sense only one statement is the first statement. Then after that, I have given some number of examples. Right. To provide package names, Java has given a suggestion. What was the suggestion? Try to use our company domain name in try to use our company domain name in a reverse. Getting my point or not? Tell me some example for it. Com dot Durgasoft dot ICZ dot transactions dot deposit. Interviewer will ask the questions like this only. When interviewer is asking, tell me an example name for package. There, if you are specifying com dot Durgasoft, no, sufficient. Sufficient. If that interviewer came from some exposure other institute, not from Durgasoft, is a student of some other institute, not from Durgasoft, definitely you may lose your job. If he is from Durgasoft, no, you may get job with a very good salary. I'm sure about it. Whenever you are saying com dot Durgasoft, no, that's sufficient. Either you may lose the job or you may get the job. If that interviewer is an ex-student of Durgasoft, definitely will get the job. If that interviewer is an ex-student of some exposure institute, no, definitely you may lose the job. That's it. Maybe if that interviewer didn't have any concession from Durgasoft, there also you may lose the job. At the time of learning is Java at Durgasoft, if Durgasoft has not given any concession to him, if you are the person in front of that interviewer, when he asks you the question, tell me an example for package name. If you give the answer like com.Durgasoft, finish. He understood you came from Durgasoft. He has already some kind of hate on Durgasoft. Then immediately will reject your resume. Finish. So that's why then what you have to do. For example, you are appearing for the interview for TCS. You are appearing for the interview in TCS. Then what we have to do? Com.TCS dot. If you are appearing for the interview in HCL, for example, com.HCL Technologies. And if you are in Infosys, no, com.Infosys. This is manipulation. We have to do smart work in front of that interviewer. Don't use as per my buttifying in Durgasoft classes, no, com.Durgasoft if you use, no, it is not proper. Then directly, moreover, how people are behaving in front of that interviewer, I can give some examples. Students are completing their courses at Durgasoft. They are keeping 3 years of experience in their resume. Same situation. When interviewer is asking, tell me what's the package name there. Then immediately they are going to write like what, no, com.Durgasoft. But they specified their previous companies, what TCS, for example, they're appearing for interview on IBM. When IBM interviewer is asking, tell me how we are able to write packages in general. If this is a question there, immediately if the student is writing com.Durgasoft, it's very clear that he was not worked with the TCS. Why? Because in the package name, definitely TCS domain name in reverse must be used. But here what he has used, com.Durgasoft, he has used as part of his practice. He had very good practice on his laptop about Durgasoft programs. then he might be right com.durgasoft finish. He's not the experienced person. He came from Amirpet, especially directly came from Durgasoft finish. This kind of situations will come. So while talking about package names, try to remember you are working with a particular company. So you have to use that company domain name if possible. Or if you are the experienced person, try to use your previous company domain name in reverse. You are in IBM interview. You worked previously with the TCS. When this question arises for you in the interview, then you have to specify com.tcs. Why? Because as you are having the practice, as we worked with the TCS previously, so we have to specify com.tcs. Sir, got my point or not? So this kind of small mistakes in general people are doing there now. Right, sir? Huh. Guys, now one more question is available. Now this is a package name. Am I right or not? com.durgasoft.icic.transactions.deposit. It's a package name, right? Now tell me, here it is a combination of parent package and child package or not? Is a combination of parent package and child package or not? Now tell me guys, what is the parent and what is the child? Can know? Com is a parent, Durgasoft is a child for Com, and Durgasoft is a parent to ICICI. ICICI is a child for Durgasoft, ICICI is a parent to Transactions. Transactions is a child for ICICI, and Transactions is a parent to Deposit. Deposit is child to what? Transaction. Topmost parent is what? Com. Bottommost child is what? Deposit. That's it. Okay, fine. Anyway, this topic is completed, guys. Then I think all of you might be understand properly. Please study well about these points. Now, definitely 5 to 6 questions I will provide from this particular topic in the next Sunday's exam. Everybody has to follow that. Clear? All right, sir. Now, let's move on to the import statement. Let's move on to the import statement. Sir, what is the time now? Right, sir. Okay, no issues. For the remaining people, I will give videos anyway. Videos are provided. They can check through videos. Let us continue this part here. What exactly the meaning of import statement? Put more concentration, all of you know. Listen carefully. Package declaration statement can be used to define a package. See, this is package. Package is a folder or not? Now I declared a package in my some other program, package P1. That folder is already existed. Inside this folder, what we are having there, for example, class A. Next one is class B. Next one is class C. I said to you, package is a collection of classes and interfaces. Now we can understand it. Package P1 is already defined where class A, class B, class C, 3 classes are existed in a package P1. Okay, fine. Now I am writing a Java file, abc.java, a separate Java program I am writing. This is my abc.java. Observe carefully. Inside this abc.java, if you want to write a package statement, we can write it. Okay, I can declare a package. Again, a folder will be created where the data is going to be stored. But I'm not thinking about that package name. Leave this one. After that, my thinking is what? In the present Java file, think of it, it is my present Java file. It's my present Java file. In the present Java file, I want to use a class A, class B, class C, which is available in package P1. All of you get my point or not? Whatever the classes A, B, C are available in package P1, I want to use them inside my abc.java file. Yes, sir, got my point or not? So if you want to use the content of a particular package in the present Java file, if we want to use the content of a particular package in the present Java file, first we have to make available that package to the present Java file or not. We have to make available that package to the present Java file or not. To make available that package to the present Java file, we have to import. That present, that means the particular package to the present Java file. We have to import that specific package to the present Java file. So to import a package into the present Java file, we have to use the import statement. To import a particular package content to the present Java file, we have to use what now? Import statement. And then import keyword. From which package we are importing the content? No, package P1. That means here we have to specify P1, right, sir? From this P1, what do you want to import? From this P1, what do you want to import? Only class name A or all the classes? All the classes are class name, particular class. That depends on your requirement. If you want to import only one particular class, that is A class, then we can specify A, P1.A. No, I want to import all from P1 package. I want to import all from P1 package. There, what we have to specify there? Star. Star represents what? All from what? No, P1 package. All from P1 package. Now tell me, guys, what is the meaning of this particular statement? No, import P1 dot star is what? No, I want to import all the content from P1 package to the abc.java file. Once we import that P1 package content to the present Java file, then successfully, happily, we can use the respective class names here. A small a is equal to new a object we can create there. Then b small b small b is equal to new b. Here we have to use. Next one is what? C small c is equal to new c. That we have to use. Got my point or not? Now tell me, when it is possible to use all these class names in abc.java file, when we provide import p1.star, then only we are eligible to use classes and interfaces of package p1. Sir, all of you are following my point or not? When you are importing a particular package P1 to the present Java file, then only you are eligible to use class names and interfaces names of the P1 package in the present abc.java file. Without importing the file, we are unable to use the classes and interface of a particular package to the present Java file. Yes, sir, all of you are getting the purpose or not? Okay, now let me write a small point here. The next one is what? No, import section. The main the main the main purpose of import statement is to make available classes and interfaces of a particular package into the present Java file. That's it. Just to make available. They are available to us. Whether we are going to use them or not, that is that different situation. But first of all, they are available to our program so that we can use them. All we can use or all we may not use. Some of them we may use. That depends on your requirement. But first of all, they are making available to your Java program. The main purpose of import statement is to make available classes and interface of a particular package to the present Java file. That's okay, fine. This is the point here we have to understand clearly. Next one is what? Then after that, after understanding this particular point here, syntaxes. How to use this particular packages? Syntaxes here we have to follow. Now, two types of syntaxes here we are providing. What are the two types of syntaxes here? First one is import. Observe carefully. Package name dot member name. That means class or interface name. Member name in the sense member of the package. Then what's the point here? We can understand there. It imports only the specified member from the specified package. Am I right or not? It imports only the specified member from the specified package. That means only the specified member here we are able to get. Am I right or not? Example I am telling there, import java.io. Buffered reader. Java.io is a package. Buffered reader is what? No, class which is available in java.io. Now tell me, in the present Java file, the total content of java.io will come or only buffer data will come? Only buffer data will come, not total content of java.io. Not the total content of java.io. Only what we are getting there now? Only buffer data here we are getting. Only we are able to get only what now? Buffered reader. That's okay. That's nice. Next one is what? Second statement is like what now? Import package name dot star. Import package name dot star. What's the meaning of this particular statement, sir? Now tell me. It imports all the classes and interfaces, of course, enums and all, records and all, enums from the specified package to the present Java file. Specified package to the present Java file. Now examples here I'm telling to you clearly, understand this clearly. Now here import java.io.star. Here the difference between import java.io.bufferedder and import java.io.star is what now? In the case of import java.io.bufferedder, only bufferedder class will come to the present Java file. But in the case of import java.io.star, all classes and interfaces of java.io will come to the present Java file. Sir, got my point or not clearly? No, right, sir. That's okay, fine. Now, I have a question. What is my question now? Is it possible to provide more than one import statement in a single Java file? Give proper answer here. Is it possible to provide more than one import statement in a single Java file? Possible or not possible? Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? No, more than one package declaration statement is not possible. Am I right or not? Right, sir. But is it possible to provide more than one import statement in a single Java file? Possible or not possible? Yes, possible. Answer is what? No. Answer is yes. Yes. Answer is what? Yes. It is possible to provide more than one import statement in a single Java file. Why? Because I may use the classes and interfaces from more than one package. I need to use classes and interfaces from more than one package. Not mandatory to get class and interfaces from only one package. I can use class and interfaces from more than one package. If the situations will come. In my single program, I need to represent data structure. So I have to import java.util package. At the same time, IO operations I want to perform. So I have to import the content from java.io. So more than one import statement I must write. More than one import statement I must write. As per my requirement, I have to write. So because of that reason, that possibility is available, that possibility is existed. So here, example here I'm telling that try to understand this clearly. Now here we can specify import java.io.star semicolon. Next one is what? Import java.util.star semicolon. Then after that, another one is what? Import java.sql.star that we can use. All right. So more than one import statement we can write. But how many package declaration statements we have to write now? Only one package declaration statement here we have to write. But how many import statements here we are able to write now? More than one import statement here we have to write. Yes, sir. Got it or not? Good, sir. Now I want to give one simple question for all of you know. Simple question. Previously, what I said to you, if you want to use class or interface of a particular package in the present Java file, we must import that package to the present Java file. Am I right or not? Then only we are eligible to use classes and interface of a particular package. Am I right or not? Now, here my question is it possible to use classes and interfaces of a particular package in the present Java file without importing the respective packages? I think you understood my question clearly. Understand or not? What is my question here? Is it possible to use classes and interface of a particular package in the present Java file without importing the respective packages? What is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Yes or no? Previously, I made one statement. What was the statement I provided there? If you want to use classes and interface of a particular package to the present Java file, we have to import that package. Then only we are able to use them. Now, again, what I am asking that question there, my question is what? Is it possible to use classes and interface of a particular package in the present Java file without importing the respective packages, without writing import statement? Is it possible to use classes and interface of a particular package? Answer is what? Answer is what? So what I am telling to you, this is an assignment to you. Find your own answers. Search in Google. Don't search in my material. I think some of all of you are getting my materials there, right? Don't search in the material. Don't open that material. Why? Because question and answer both are given. I'm telling to you clearly. Don't open material and search in Google and try to find the answer. Okay, no problem. Even if you want to open the material, open it and read that answer clearly. With the answer only, come to the tomorrow's class. With the answer only, come to the tomorrow's class. Guys, all of you are following or not? What I'm telling you. Okay. So what is that assignment here? You have to find answer for this question and tomorrow. So tomorrow, damn sure we have a session. Tomorrow is Saturday, right? Tomorrow is Saturday, right? So tomorrow we have a session. Come to the class. I will discuss about it. I'm sure about it. On Sunday, we have an exam up to Java programming format and up to tomorrow's class. What I'm going to be complete in tomorrow's session, up to that, I will conduct an exam on Sunday. Sunday at what time you have to come here? Same 8:30 is right? 8:30 or 10 o'clock? Sunday, sir. Sunday 10 o'clock you want to come, na? Okay, you can come at 10 o'clock, no problem. 10 to just 1 hour exam, 40 minutes. Exactly how many bits no? 30 bits I have given, 30 minutes exam. 40 questions if I give, 40 minutes exam. How many bits I have given there? That many minutes you have to say. Okay, you have to attend for that exam. But everybody has to attend for that exam. Right, sir? Good. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining part. And guys, those who are attending in online, how you are going to attend this exam, I'll give clarity. Don't worry. Tomorrow I will give information to you. Don't worry for that. And guys, and those who are not yet registered for this course in online, already you are waiting for packages actually. Yeah, we are waiting for the package. Actually, I already have given that packages information to you. The one time contact with our admin people and they'll give that package and everything. Okay. Yeah, already the soft copy of the material I submitted to everybody in the Google Drive. Already that material was provided. Just we can download it. Yeah, for all the online students, that material was given already through Google Drive. You can check it. Okay. Then anyway, then how I'm going to conduct the exam on Sunday, I'll give clarity. Don't worry for that. Right, guys. Don't worry for that. I'll give that. Okay. All right, guys. And that the full stack Java package and everything is available. I given roadmap already to the office. Reach out to our office and our office people will contact with you regarding that. Then try to utilize this opportunity. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. And tomorrow we'll meet. Yeah. Anyway, then material and all the related things, just you can reach out to our office either to these numbers or maybe you can use Durgasoft online training at the rate gmail.com. Yeah, Pradeep, anyway, one time talk with our admin people, they'll give more clarity. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. I need to stop this session and tomorrow I'll continue. Just one time reach out to our office and our office people will help you how to get material and everything. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.